Hello everyone. Today we will learn this question. Okay. Your first question is name the type of triangles. Question is given. According to this question, you have to give the name of triangles. Already I have explained you. The triangles can be categorized into two categories. First is according to sides, and second according to angles. In according to sides, there are three types of triangles: equilateral triangle, scalene triangle, and isosceles triangle. Okay. And according to angles, there are acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. Okay. So already I have explained you that different types of triangles. According to that, only you have to give the name of triangles. The first question is triangle with length of side 7, 8 and 9 centimeter. Here I will draw figure and explain a triangle with side 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 9 centimeter. All three sides are different. When in a triangle all three sides are different, that type of triangle is called scalene triangle. That type of triangle is called SCALENE, scalene triangle. Okay. Now question number B. Second question. Triangle ABC. This symbol represents triangle ABC. This is the symbol of triangle. Triangle ABC. Okay. So first of all, I will make one triangle. This is my triangle A, B, C. Measurement is given. AB is equal to 8.7 centimeter. This is 8.7 centimeter. AC is 7 centimeter and BC is 6 centimeter. Again, you can observe that all three sides are of different measurement. So this triangle is also a type of scalene triangle. So this is also a scalene triangle. Now third one, triangle DEF. Okay. So how you will read this? Triangle DEF with measurement of angle DE is equal to 90 degree. One triangle is there. The name of that triangle is DEF and angle D is 90 degree. DEF. When any one angle of a triangle is 90 degree, when any one angle of a triangle is 90 degree, then it is called right angled triangle. That type of triangle is called right angled triangle. This is right angled triangle. Okay. Now come on second question. Your second question is name the triangles in two different ways. Okay. One single triangle is this. Question number A. You have to give the name of this triangle in two different ways. Now look here. Again, all three sides are different. No, these two sides are equal. All three sides are not different. Two sides are equal. When two sides of a triangle are equal, then it is known as isosceles triangle. ISOSCELES. This is isosceles triangle. This I have written according to sides. Now according to angles. Now you can observe this. You can observe that all three triangles are less than 90 degree. So your second type is acute angled triangle. The second type is acute angled triangle. Now come on question number B. In question number B, this is 17 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So according to sides, all three sides are different. When all three sides are different, it will become scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. And according to angle, you can see that 90 degree angle is there. Just now I have explained you. Whenever 90 degree is there, it is called right angled triangle. So these are the two ways by which we are giving name. Again here you can observe only two sides are given and both the two sides are equal. When two sides of a triangle are equal, then it is called isosceles triangle. Okay, and when you measure angle, you can easily observe that this angle is more than 90 degree. So a angle which measure more than 90 degree is called obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle. So this triangle will become obtuse angled triangle. Okay, students.